Welcome to this course, Introduction to Cybersecurity. This is a presentation of coding boot camps. This is Lesson 5, Introduction to Network Security, How to Secure Networks. Our topics: what is network security? What is a network security attack? The types of network security, and we'll look at network security jobs. What we've learned so far is we had our introduction to cybersecurity. We discussed encryption and computing device and application security. So network security is the process of taking preventative measures to protect the underlying network infrastructure, again, from unauthorized access, any kind of misuse, causing a malfunction, a modification, a destruction, or improper disclosure. A network attack can be defined as any method or process that maliciously attempts to access the network or compromises the network security. And network security is the process of preventing those attacks of that given infrastructure, using techniques and strategies that are understood that an attacker may use, whether the attack is an active cyber attack or a passive cyber attack. Or some combination of the two. If we look here, an active attack, we see that Alice and Bob are communicating, and they're using a plain text message. And Tom, again, this is an active attack. Tom is intercepting the message and modifies the message. The passive attack here, Alice and Bob are communicating. They're obviously here, it says they're using plain text. Tom is just reading the message, so he's just either he's intercepting it in a way, he's just reading it, he's not interfering with the communication, but still both of these attacks can still cause a lot of harm. So our types of network security are controlling the access, application security, firewalls, virtual private networks, behavior. So social engineering is a big technique used by hackers. Securing wireless devices and Wi-Fi's, and preventing intrusion of the system. Here are a few software and hardware tools that are available for ensuring network security. So firewalls are a little bit software, a little bit hardware that block ports. Ports are sections of memory where applications are running. That if they are unused, they could be an entry point for a malicious third party. Packet crafters, web scanners, packet sniffers. What these are doing is network traffic travels in the form of little messages called packets, and packet sniffers and crafters can determine, is there any inconsistency in how the packets are being sent? Are they being sent from, say, overseas or a country that's been suspected of attacking the network before? Intrusion detection and penetration testing software. A network security analyst and a network security engineer are two of the highest paid cybersecurity jobs. While network security engineer is more likely to be building out security systems, a network security analyst is likely to be tasked with scanning the network for plausible vulnerabilities. These are jobs that are in need and will be needed for the foreseeable future. Both of these positions earn an average between, you can see here, $90,000 to $150,000 per year. So what we learned in this session, we learned about network security and network security attacks, types of network security, and network security jobs. In our next session, we'll be looking at penetration testing, sometimes called pen testing, or most of the time called pen testing. The phases of penetration testing, what are different types of penetration testing, what tools are used for penetration testing. Again, our follow-on courses, please look into these. Introduction to the Linux operating system, blockchain cybersecurity, Python programming. And thank you again for watching these videos. And it was a presentation of Coding Bootcamp.